If I told you guys how beautiful you are today? What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about 3 fantastic men's fragrances. But before I get into that, if you like the content I make here on YouTube, drop a sub, hit the big red subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, chuck a thumbs up on it because both of those things help me out more than you can possibly imagine. The first thing I want to talk about is the fact that over 1,000 of you watched my last video. That was just mind-blowing for me. I can't even put it into words. I can't even express how happy it makes me. The fact that little old me here in Australia has reached 1,000 of you out there, it just makes my day, and it's like put a genuine massive smile on my face. So I'm coming into this video with like a new energy, like a new vibe. I don't know, man, I can't even express it. But yeah, let's talk about some fragrances. The first one I want to talk about it's in my top 5 favorite scents of all time, and if it performed better, it would be number 1. Dirty English by Juicy Couture. This, simply put, is the epitome of men's fragrances. The way this smells, this has my favorite DNA of any fragrance I've ever smelled. And I'll just show you the bottle. It's woody, it's got a touch of sweetness. It's almost a little leathery as well. It's aromatic. There's just so much about this to be enjoyed. It's got oud in it as well, but it isn't a dirty, animalic oud. It is a very subtle, almost smoky oud. It's fantastic, and if it weren't, such an average performer, this would easily be my favorite fragrance of all time. There's no fragrance that I like to wear more than this. However, you sort of have to carry the bottle with you because the performance is lackluster. I picked up this bottle on eBay for $65 Australian. At that price, I would pay for it again just because I love the way this one smells so much. But Juicy Couture really need to do an eau de parfum or a parfum version of this to just ramp up the power, ramp up the performance. And even if they charged $100 for that, I would buy that all day, every day. Regardless of whether you're a man, a woman, a they or a them, absolutely check this one out, especially if you like spicy, woody fragrances. Next up is a Smoky Ascent, L'Odyssée pour Homme Intense. This one smells so drastically different from the regular L'Odyssée pour Homme by Issey Miyake, just because it's got like a really potent ambergris note and it also has incense. You still get a touch of that citrus up top, but it isn't like a yuzu bomb like L'Odyssée pour Homme. It's the smokiness and that like almost sickly sweet but not quite ambergris note that really makes this one stand out. I wish Dirty English performed as well as this one does. This is a 12-hour scent just because that ambergris note just makes it latch onto your skin and stick around for ages. 12-hour plus scent, and you can get a bottle for this for under $70 on eBay. And I've also seen it in Priceline for about 65 bucks on sale. So shop around a bit. Hopefully you can find it at a solid price because I highly recommend it. And lastly, we're talking about one of the unsung heroes in men's perfumery, Mercedes-Benz Club Black. This smells like a masculine cupcake, a manly cupcake. It's incense, amber and vanilla. It's truly a phenomenal scent. And yeah, this is rich, it is decadent, it's lavish, and it performs incredibly. It's a 24-hour scent. You've got to scrub this one off in the shower or the bath to really get it off of your skin. But why would you want to? This smells absolutely fantastic. And I've even gotten bottles of this from Chemist Warehouse for 40 bucks. And it came in one of those gift sets. And they also at Chemist Warehouse sell little travel size bottles. They're like 15 ml. You can get those for $9.99. So if you want to try out Club Black but you don't want to invest a huge amount of money in it, just get one of the travel bottles. They're at most Chemist Warehouses across Australia. This is just an amazing scent, and I couldn't fault it in any way, really. So those are 3 masculine scents I highly recommend. Check them out if you get a chance to. I personally would recommend blind buying them. But that's just because I've got a bias and I've got an experience with them, but maybe you don't want to take such a risk. So in the case of like Club Black, try out a travel bottle. It's very cheap. And for the other ones, maybe order a sample online. Anyway, if you've ever worn any of these scents before, let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.